Hello and welcome to your task for today. Now, for today, what we're going to be doing is customizing each and every product page with our favorite app called Shogun here. Now, a brief overview of what it looks before the customization. All right, so we have just the product title, add to cart, social, customer reviews, no reviews just yet. This is what it looks like before. Now, here's what we need to do. We need to first start top to bottom here. So our first product that has an actual picture is going to be a Zeal of Zebras mounted photography print diplish here. Okay, so the first step that we need to do is read this, see what product it is, go into Shogun here, a page builder. Now, if it's not popped up, what you have to do is you go to apps, right? And then you would click on the Shogun app here, okay? So once we do that, again, we go to the start of our list here, Zeal of Zebras mounted photography print diplish. We go to Shogun and we just start typing. It should pop up. All right, it's a smart search here, and we want to click existing layout. All right, edit product page. All right, it's going to take us to a page just like this, a little bit to load here, but once it pops up, there is a couple things that we need to do. All right, now this is, again, the before product page. The first thing that we need to do is add in the snippets. The way you get there is elements, just scroll all the way down, right there, ready to go. The first thing is the third, right? We are adding this. All right. Second thing we are adding is the trust elements. Make sure that's full width here. Third thing is going to be our FAQ header, and make sure it's not right here. It has its own row. Okay, for your frequently asked questions. And then the last step that we need to do is add our FAQ section, and also make sure it's not mixed together, that it goes into this order. Okay, making sure everything's okay. We save, and then we first preview to make sure everything is in line. Okay, now as it loads, it should pop up the storefront on how the after should look as a preview. Okay, so again, we start with our ready to ship header in 1 to 3 days. Make sure it's parallax, make sure it's in the center, make sure we have our trust elements here, making sure we have our frequently asked questions header, then our frequently asked questions section. Okay, so once we figure that that's all in order and that's all okay, then we just simply click publish, and then we move on to the next one. Okay, make sure it's done publishing, click back on the icon, and then we start on the next product, which would be the ANX ambassador. So again, all we're doing is just going down the list for every single product, making sure that it is green, that it is published. I believe it's ANX ambassador. All right. Yep. Yeah, so you're making sure everything matches up, everything is accurate. Existing layout, edit product page, and then we start the whole thing over again for every single product, please. All right, so I'll go ahead and go through this one more time before we finish this video here. Again, just waiting for it to load. going down to the drop element here, scrolling down, and filling it in here. Alright, first one here. Then the fourth one, make sure it has its own line. Header, making sure it has its own line. FAQ section, making sure that is at its own line as well. Save, preview. Be sure to work through this efficiently as well as accurately, please. Alright, we have the parallax, trust elements ready to go, frequently asked questions. Everything looks in order. Then we publish. Alright, and then again, we just go along the line for all every single product. Okay. All right. Thank you very much for going through this video here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and we'll proceed from there. Okay. Thank you so much.